Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, guys. And this video is gonna be a video about me showing you how I achieved this look and a ponytail, using a ponytail that is disheveled, is old, and you might be wanting to throw that ponytail in the trash, but you don't have to throw it away so soon. You can make it into a bun like so, and I will just show you guys, or you guys just watch me do it, my ponytail. The ponytail, this ponytail is not old yet, but it is disheveled and it's, you know, giving old or giving older. I have gotten like so many uses out of the ponytail, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how, before I throw the ponytail away, I'm putting it into a bun and making another style out of it, because yes, that's what we do. We don't waste no hair ponytail. We gonna milk as many styles as we can out of it. And I probably could do another look from this, but all I did was put it in a bun and I left me some, like, a little bang. I wonder if I can just pull it over a little bit over here. So yes guys, I don't know what that's gonna do, but I didn't pull out enough hair. But this is the look, okay? This is the look. Okay, yes guys, so give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment down below if you like videos like this. And yes, I will get into it right now, because yes, we is not throwing this ponytail out just yet. We gonna milk it and make another style out of it, okay, before we throw it away, okay? Because that is what you should do. That is what I do, because I like ponytails and I like buns, and a bun is my go-to when the ponytail is through. When it's done, it's done, okay? But you can get a couple more looks out of it to be really, really cute. Hi guys, it is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, guys. And today I am coming at you with I'm just gonna show you guys. Y'all seen this ponytail before. I posted it last week, and I'm gonna put the ponytail in a bun. I did order me some new ponytails, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I have taken a ponytail that is kind of like, it's a synthetic ponytail, but it's kind of like getting old. So what I do is, like, you can start wearing them in a bun when they get old, just to preserve it and show you how you can make cute looks out of the ponytail, even though it's getting kind of old. But you know, you can still milk a couple more hairstyles out of it, because you can wear it in a bun, okay? So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna show you guys. The ponytail's kind of old and withered and worn, and I mean, I can still wear it down too, because I like when mine get kind of, you know, get kind of worn, a little bit worn look, not a whole lot. But anyway, yeah, I have to do my hair. I'm about to do my content. Well, I'm doing other content, so of course I wanted to come to you guys with this ponytail video or whatever. So yeah, y'all seen me put my hair in a ponytail, and I do like ponytails, so y'all gonna be seeing me wear ponytails. So I'm just gonna do my ponytail on camera for you guys, and that's that. And be on the lookout for this makeup look tutorial. So I'll be back. That moment when you don't know if you done wrapped it too tight. That moment when you wrapped your hair too tight and you don't know if it'll go around that last time, because you know you done wrapped it and taking that hairband to the brink and the limit. You didn't push it to the limit. Okay. This is my ponytail hair that I'm using. Yeah, it's been through it. It's been a battle. And it's time to retire it, but I'm about to put it on my head. And I'm gonna make another style out of it. I mean, but actually it's not too bad. So I put it on my head. I'm gonna pull the string. I'm trying to hurry up because my camera don't die. It runs out of juice quick. I'm gonna wrap it. And wrap it. Okay, so I wrapped it. And it still look kind of decent. It do. It still looks kind of decent, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of hair. I'm gonna wrap it around. Wrap it around. And you can use your pins or whatever. And then, wait, it came out? Okay, so I'm about to put it in a bun. I'm gonna leave some hair out. I'm gonna take this. What I'm gonna do? Wrap it in a bun, like so. And I just have me a little extra ponytail holder. Uh-oh, stay right there, hair. And I'm just wrapping it around. I do see I have like some lint in there. Okay, I finally got it. So okay, so this is the look, guys. And I put me some little hair right here. You can separate it. You can even make you a bang, however you want to do it. I'm just gonna make me a little curly Q right here. My camera's gonna die. So this is the look. You can add you another headband on it for another added. I added me a little scrunchie. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these baby hairs and slick them and smooth them. And this is the look. Hey, I like it. It's a look for me. I don't know if it's gonna work for everybody, but I'm just trying to show y'all how y'all can just be squeezing extra styles out these burnt out ponytails that's gone. You know what I'm saying? That need to be going in the trash, but you can just still wrap it in a bun, okay? You can still wrap it in a bun and it's gonna still give life, okay? This is just a little quickie, quick. I need to add some earrings. Okay, the baby hairs is baby hairing. What? They're baby hairing because I'm not a baby hair person like that. Anyways, guys, this is the final look. This is the ponytail, and this is me stretching the ponytail, and I made it into a bun. And I left me some little curly doos out. Some little curly cues. This is the look, guys. I just want to make this little quick video so I can show you guys how you can get more than one use out of your ponytail, your drawstring ponytails. You ain't gotta throw it out so quick, like after it starts to get like matted, or you know, the hair starts to get disheveled and stuff like that. This is what I do. I start making them into buns, and I'm sure you can do some other cute styles, but this is just the one that I came up with for this ponytail because I liked the curl pattern of it, and it's not really that disheveled. I can still wear it down, but you know, just for a different look, it looks really nice. You know, in a bun, you could just put your little scrunchies around it. I left some hair out. I could have put some hair out on this side too. I mean, it's all kind of things you could have did, but I just did it on one side. So, and I think it came out really, really cute. I think it's really, really nice. And this is the eyeshadow. I did do a makeup tutorial on this look, guys. So yes, guys, this is the look. Make sure you guys, if you like this video, this is a short little video, I'm sure hopefully you guys like it. But anyways, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment down below. I am Diva TT, also known as, no, I am Tiffany. I am Tiffany, also known as Diva TT on all social media platforms. Leave me a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys if you would try this idea of, like, you know, when your ponytails get old. This ponytail is looking real natural, and yes, I really, really like the look. Okay, so yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, give this video a like, comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. And yes, it's the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.